Hello everyone, Sam is here again. Um, this is the video about Euro Yen. Um, Seems like I missed a lot of setups last week, but it's okay. We had a couple of good ones, and we'll make up this week. It's better because last week we had NFP in the way. So um, anyway, let's go take a look. First, I want to show you Euro Index. Okay, let's start with that. Euro Index. Actually, this is the chart I sent out, right? January 24, that Gertley completes at point D. And let's see if it plays out. Must stay below 78.6% at D point. D point is 78.6% was this area. Okay. So I was expecting that it will come down around this area or maybe even further down here. But thanks to NFP, we came down, yeah, but not exactly the way I was expecting, and we can only expect, right? This market will do whatever it feels like. So this is the followed charts. This is what happens, and this is what happens, and this is what happens, and this is what happened, and then finally, currently we are here. Friday we hit this AB is equal to CD 100%. See, this is A, B, C, D. FE 100% exactly. Kiss that. This is the channel complete, and we bounce from there. So we were a little shy of this high here, or this one. So the NFP just reversed the whole thing, and it is pretty strong as well. You can see this candle was very nice. Actually, this is a daily chart, by the way. So this was the chart. This last candle was Friday. But even before that, you can see that it bounced, and I didn't see it because I think I was too busy in that year that day. It was a little malfunctioning, and I was trying to fix it all day, all night. Anyway, so we bounced before that, and then NFP was in the way, and the NFP even further pushed it to the higher side, the long side, and now if it continues, which it looks like, but you never know. But right now, that's what it looks like. This is A, B, C, D pattern after a big move is a corrective pattern. It's not an impulse wave to the downside. It is a correction to this move. Okay, so this is just a correction, means that we will continue in the previous direction. We should continue according to the theory of Elliott wave. So let's see. We already start bouncing 3 days in a row. 1, 2, 3. On Friday, we close very strong bullish, candle, no wick whatsoever on the top. So if euro is getting strong, and we just saw the last video, I sent you a video this morning about yen, which also I sent last week that is going to get weaker, and then it did. It start going up. So if that yen is getting weaker and this euro is getting stronger, what will happen to euro yen? That is the question. And what actually already happened, let's go and see while I was sleeping. Look at this. This is a weekly chart, and if you place this, you have this and this here, or this and this, is a perfect channel. The price came down, kissed the trend line, and bounced. Also was at 61.8% adjustment level. Nothing can be better than this. But anyway, from 136, I guess, right? Let me see. Let me get this thing out of the way. From 136.30, now we are at 139.30, above 139.30. So that's 300-point jump already. But this whole thing looks very bullish. This, that the shape. It's not any complete figure or pattern right now. It's just a 61% bounce. But that's why I'm saying that if it may go because of this wobbling and everything and an NFP, you never know. You have a reaction to the upside, but the next week starts and then boom, it goes down. It takes a few days for the people, big boys, to read it properly. That what are those numbers representing, bullish or bearish scenario. So we will see in a couple of days that if we get to this 23% line, then this will be a C point. If it holds and it is really a C point, then we will come down for a D point to make a Gertley kind of thing. If not, then if there is momentum is strong, maybe we need a couple of weeks to get there on 23% line, or maybe the next week. You never know. So one big candle like this will get there, right? But it looks like the next week, coming this week, I mean, and starting today, would be bullish on this pair. So we will be taking or looking for bullish setups. All right, so make sure we, above the stacking, above 200 EMA and a 5-minute chart. If you get a setup, nice one, just take it. So 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, whatever. So 2 scenarios: if it goes up there, 23% line holds, and then start dropping, then you know that what it's going or what it is up to. But if not, then more chances are that it's not gonna come down. It's probably gonna go up. So let's see. It already started it. 1 hour chart, how it looks like. Let's go and take a look. This is how it looks like. You have a couple of trend lines on the 1 hour chart. Turn into 4 hour. Let's see first. You see this trend line here, the down move. The inner one kind of broken already, and then the outer one is still there. Monthly pivot is there, so you're probably gonna go up there, then pull back, and again start going up. So that would be the time to get in. All right. Even now, I mean, for maybe 20, 30, 40 pip, little shot here, there, you can go long. But I think this, after this, hitting this TL, excuse me, I'm having hiccups, because the fact is that not only trend line, you have 38%, and you have 200 EMA, you have monthly pivot 140.14. So too many things here. 140.15 is 38% of this fib here, all the way up, and then it came down to 61%, and then usually it goes sometimes to 38 and then drop. If it is 50%, more chances are like it will go to 23.6%. But if it is 61%, often it goes only 38% and then drop to 78% to make a Gertley. But let's see. Chances are less. Euro is very strong, and yen is weak, right? So more chances on this one, but still we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kind of length waves, right? Pattern. So if this probably like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you ABC to the downside after hitting this TL, that would be wave 1 and 2, and then we will get into wave 3 to the upside. Okay, that's the idea. That's the plan. We'll watch it, how it goes. If this is how it goes, then go heavy on this thing. This is it. I'm making small videos, and I will send you this chart. Maybe, I don't know what this one says. See, this is how it is. I was expecting this at least will probably come down to these lows, but NFP just made it turn a little higher than these supports. So that happens. But it's very bullish now, bouncing from 61%, 200 EMA off a 4-hour chart. Let's see if we break this and come into this area, maybe come down here a little bit and then go. All right, and if not, then it will probably hit 38%, and if we don't break it and start coming down, what I do is, I'll if I see a setup, then I'll take it. Worst come to worst, I'll get out of break even, or maybe lose 5, 15, 10, 15, 20 pips. No big deal. If I'm wrong, it's not going to the downside and comes back and hit the SL, that's fine. And then start going up, then you get it. And 20 pips, nothing. If you know how much it's going to give you if it is going up. So take a chance. Don't be afraid. These small losses are just like if you're running a restaurant and you make the sale, a $2,000 sale for the whole day, and here comes Friday, and you have to cut the check for the rent and the electric and paycheck, and you start crying there. Oh my God, all these losses. No, they're not losses; they're overheads. So if you have a sale, $1,000 or $2,000 sale for a day, you only have 200, 300 profit. The rest is the overhead. You have to give it back to the business. So just like that, in Forex, we don't have any overheads except small losses here, there, something. So in this scenario, like if this goes up and hit the 38% and start dropping, and if you don't take the setup to the short side, and if it comes all the way down to 78.6%, then you'll be picking up your hair. So this is how it is. I'm always aggressive. I'll take it. I encourage everybody to take it, and if you lose a 15 pip, just don't worry about it. Watch it for the other side. You have this setup and take it, but do not do this thing in a ranging condition. When even sometime in London it's ranging, it's like no news, the day is very quiet, and you see that momentum is not there, the volume is not there, price just making 40-50 pip range, then you need to stay away. But if there is a news coming in and then you already see the setup or a nice like moving average just rising on 15-5 minute, nice, the wave is very nicely above 50 MA or above the stack, moving outside, then in that scenario, be aggressive and take the setup, because once you have a volume, that's it. That's all we need. All right, so this is it. Euro yen looks good to the upside. I'm gonna check other pairs, but I don't want to give too many things or too many setups, because then you're gonna get confused which one to take, which one to not take, and then that also can create problems. So let's see. I'm just gonna send out the good ones, and then later on, if that Sunday and then Monday, let's see if they start moving and then give us something, then more setups to come in. Okay, so just make sure that Euro index, I just showed you how it is doing. It's bouncing already, nice and clean. This is the area here to watch. It's low here. Right now we are here, but it looks like we're gonna just continue going up. This is a correction. A, B, C, 100%. It's a correction. All right, so this is it. You have pound Aussie, you have pound USD already from last week. It's going up, and this one now. And let's see if I find more, and I'll send it out. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.